Hey there, loyal Handmade by Ying supporters. Marty the Squirrel here. I have a very important announcement. Tonight on YouTube at 7 p.m. Eastern Time on Donna's Monday night YouTube broadcast, she will be starting the second segment on her Art East 9 patch garden quilt, The Farmer. This is the continuation of another exciting quilting adventure, and you won't want to miss a moment of this amazing project. The Farmer is part of the 9 patch garden designs from Art East Quilting Company. John and the entire Art East team continue to create outstanding quilt patterns that inspire quilters everywhere. Go check them out. Joe the Tech Man put their link in the description box below. Donna will continue to bring this beautiful quilt to life, one stitch at a time. So, whether you're a longtime supporter or a first-time viewer, tonight's broadcast promises quilting fun, creativity, and plenty of inspiration. Don't miss it. It's going to be a great show.